Rise and shine. Okay ka lang.
Okay ka lang, nak.
Okay lang legs mo, Nakshi.
This opportunity. Aray ko.
We're going to the...
Geng. Na-charge mo ating power bank. 61 to.
We're going to the cliff. Ano sila? Yes.
Ang dami na lens mo.
Oh, is it? Beep beep. Gab! Aray ko!
Ito mo yung mga kambing mo sa bebe. Ay, ba?
Sakit ng legs ko.
Palit kambing.
We're here sa Pitogo Cliff. Art.
Nay, may barya na ba kayo?
Pitogo. Entrance is 30 pesos. Bawal.
Ano ka mag-doon? Kailangan accredited ka.
Oo, ata.
Hindi. Naka-install certification notice. Okay lang. Mura lang ang makingilan nito dito.
Ito yung tinatawag nilang death trees. Ayan. So, bawal ka mag-drone dito. May mga authorized people lang. Waiting.
1, 2, 3.
Papa-drone shop. Yung prices.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Strictly no jumping. Kasi mataas siya. Super. Pero yung ganun. Maybe you should try that sometime. May picture ako dyan. So, bababa ka. May hagdan dyan. Ayan. Done. We're on the way to Soluna para sa community workshops. Bye-bye. We're here at Soluna. So pretty. This is my breakfast. Baked beans, eggs, sausage, hash brown, veggies, and sourdough. For 360. Malaki siya.
Supposed to be wanted me to create a voodoo doll, but voodoo doll is not part of our culture in the island. Forehead, you never think for another man or woman. This is the thing to counter attack. Defense. Yeah, the so-called witchcraft. The starfish with long tentacles. When the high tide, when there is a high tide, your stomach will be bigger. But for low tide or just ordinary tide, your stomach become that one. So we have even bigger bamboo black candles. So when we break that one, when we gonna use. So this is the secret why we created black candle. Wood. We call this tagnipas. The word tipas means to deviate. So if someone give you spell or curse you, it never hits you. You will never like hit by the spell. Even our soldiers, some of the believers of the tradition, they have to wear this thing so that they will not hit by bullet during encounter. So pahiuling sumbalik, it has the capacity to return those witchcraft, those curses. So it's like a boomerang. When someone give you disease, it will return to them. Restoration plans which I gave to my sister who diagnosed for lupus with 3 different experts and hospitals. Traditionally, rag being used as for cleaning something. Form. So we use this to treat anything that grows in your body. Like cyst, goiter, polyp. So we use this one. This is an ant plant. But so you can get a bit of it. So it's just a presentation of something.
Bottle.
I guess we can
Maybe
get
where's
some
your bottle? Where's your bottle?
This material. Root word lunot means to follow. She or he cannot resist. So it's a presentation of material. You need
Lagay mo sa harap na.
even a bit. Then put it inside the bottle. The second ingredient is, the word donghai is like you let your hair fall. I guess if those who want to create a wig, if they know this material, I guess they collect this thing. Right.
Uy, paano mo pinag? Pwede ka naman. Saan ka lang ba?
So we have this one to soften someone's hearts and emotion. But this kind of vine is really very powerful. If you heard about Ilaga, Ulahan, those person, the Lupang, Madjong, so that's part of this. It's about
You're in our land.
we call this Tagiwili.
Tingin.
Itatalik ka na sa itatandado ka na sa room. That's what
Wala ka na.
makakainin ka lang.
Sobra.
Masahiin araw-araw.
Pagiging na 10. 10 more, 10 more.
It's about
Attractive.
attracting. Another scissor. Sa eye of paiuling sumbalik. This is really helps you to block those evil eye, those curses. So it never looks like an eye, but usually this
Patingin
used
ng
to
ano.
do something so that this plant will climb, fruit of the flower grows. So the word sumbalik is like bumirang or come back. So buti kung nawala, babalik siya. So you cannot escape.
It's sounding kind of forceful now. Yeah. But it's a potion for a reason.
Ano yan? Dry, ano? Dry.
No, you need really practice because you do it very minimum.
It's slow, but it's
Kailangan mo.
Gumalaw na sa akin.
The darker one, you have more money.
Tingnan mo sa akin. Tingnan mo sa akin.
Ibig sabihin mo.
Then after that one,
Baby.
you can even add more. So, it's not necessary. The dancing lady.
This is, ano tawag dito?
Kung babae nagsayaw.
It's for attraction.
So, this is to
Ano?
We have to kill an colony to harvest this.
Reset ka talaga, no?
Then I attract women. What if I attract women?
Ayun bang siya?
sarili lang yan. Kung madala mo sa thank you everyone. More questions?
The last one.
I think you're just going to be inundated with partners when you walk out the door. No, it doesn't explain.
Because
I think it naturally
at this
attracts.
moment, maybe I'm
Bibili ka siya.
already feeling bored.
Bored.
If you give that to the murderer, they use the knife to kill.
And how can people find you or contact you?
Just search me in my Facebook.
Thank you, Luna. Such a hot day. Sunbird dun, eh. We're at another convenience store. Bili kami ng jeans kasi super init sa labas. May ibang snacks na tayo. Did you get snacks? I didn't get. Bakit? Kaya mo nalutuin yan eh. Ang dami nilang condiments and all. Ang dami nilang ano? Products. I'll have this, please.
Ikaw may Nutella. Nutella go.
Limited lang dala. Tatlo lang ako.
We're parked. Dito kami sa Lunasan Falls. May for rent na shoes. Vest for 100. Mag-auto-sis ka?
Kayo po. Dito na po, Anders. Sukat na lang po, sir.
Sige, ako na lang.
After po, si Kuya Mark.
How much? 20?
Ikaw po ma'am, mag-meter shoes po ka ma'am.
Ah, sige po.
Maliit lang yan sir. 37 ma'am.
So, change of plans kami. Chill lang dapat kami sa falls. Pero sabi ni Kuya, ang guide, si Kuya Mac, na may 40-minute parang adventure or something na may water activities and mini rock climbing. So, we're gonna do that. Anyway, I'm waiting for them kasi binalik yung mga bag at yung mga necessities na naidadalhin namin para hindi kami mahirapan. Nahirapan na ako daw kasi nasakit na legs ko from yesterday's run. So, yon. That's our afternoon. Pinakamataas sa island, Kuya. 10 meters. Around 10 meters. So, mga 3 kalahating palapag. Or 3 palapag. Ganun. Tatalon daw siya. Saan, Kuya? Doon sa tinatayuan nila? Okay po. Ang sakit. So pretty. Asan si Marv? Buhay pa siya! Buhay pa siya!
Sabay, sabay!
Sabay! Sabay! Adventure kina meron po. Hawak niya ang beat.
Kuya, kuya.
This is Leo daw. Leo na zodiac sign. Dito na lang ako, guys. We're back here. So, I suggest na mag-rent kayo ng shoes if punta kayo sa mga falls. Kasi kailangan nyo. Or you know, doon, pwede naman kayo magdala ng sarili nyong shoes. Pero it's 20 pesos lang. Nakakatulong din naman sa kanila yun. They have so many sizes. Dapat taas mo yung kamay mo!
Dito na tayo.
Dadaan na.
We're gonna go go to Wakanda. Wakanda forever. We're gonna buy stuff. We're here at Wakanda. Ordering merienda. Complimentary Spanish omelet, white sangria, and an event. We ordered Spanish omelet. There's hummus. Oh, yours looks so nice. And potatoes.
Swerte nga yaya ka. Ano lang. Ayun. Nagwawalis na. Ganda naman ang gawa
We're
nila.
at Baja Bar, the very pretty bar na nadadaanan namin lagi when we're going to the, di ko alam kung anong side yun, basta wherever we're going, lagi namin siya nadadaanan. So we're here for dinner and drinks.
Thank you so much. Para beautiful boys.
Also, it's super nice here. Very homey yung vibe. Kasi tatanggalin mo yung shoes and slippers mo. Kasi iwan na siya dun sa entrance. So everyone's barefoot here o kaya socks na yung suot. So it's clean. It's nice. It's such a big place. Tapos kahoy siya like 90%. I think or 80. It's very nice here. I'll let you know about the food. Ano yan?
Banana peanut.
Banana pala yan. Anyway. Mango shake.
Yung may wire.
True forward 3 na slide ko. Tapos may apoy-apoy. Tapos pagtapos yun, buti na lang kumuha ka ng
My dinner is... ours to. Grilled inihaw na tuna. Have kilawin. Sisig.
Pasado siya sa akin.
Fried rice. May egg pa.